distribution of electrons in shells and concept of valency.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from LearnFatafat.com.
Dear students, atom is composed of protons, neutrons and electrons, where electrons are present in the shell of an atom. Now, major challenge before the scientists was to know how electrons were distributed in the shell of an atom.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Bohr and Perry in 1921 presented some rules to show distribution of electrons in shell of atom. Number of electrons in a single orbit are calculated by formula 2n square, where n is shell number or energy level. K shell is first shell. Here n equals to 1. Therefore K shell will have, which is equals to 2 electrons. Similarly, L shell will have 2 into 2 raised to 2, which is equals to 2 into 4, which is equals to 8 electrons. In this way, electrons from different energy levels are easily known. Normally we use the terms duplet if orbit allows only 2 electrons. Similarly, we use the term octet if orbit allows 8 electrons to be filled in it. Electron starts filling from inner shell towards outermost shells. Atomic structure of few elements are given below. Let's now understand about the term valency. It is clear that every atom tends to achieve octet in its outermost shells. Atom do this by either of the three ways: by donating electron to another atom, or by accepting electron from another atom, or by sharing of its electrons with other atom. So we can define valency as the combining capacity of the atom.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
It is the number of electrons in outermost shell, or 8 minus electrons in outermost shell. Let's take an example of sodium and chlorine. Sodium has 1 electron in outermost shell and chlorine has 7 electrons in outermost shell. For sodium, it is very easy to lose 1 electron rather than accepting 7 more electrons to gain stability. Hence, valency of sodium is 1 and not 7. For chlorine, it is easy to accept 1 electron rather than losing 7 electrons. Hence, valency of chlorine is 1 and not 7.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Elements like helium, neon, argon have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. That is, they have stable octet. Hence, valency of such elements is 0. So here we completed our topic. In the upcoming videos, we are going to learn about atomic number and mass number for an element.
If you like the video, subscribe to LearnFatafat and press the bell icon to get latest updates from LearnFatafat.com.